Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to show you how I got this really nice, soft and defined rod set, and I'm going to be using some products that were sent to me but I haven't gotten a chance to use, so just keep on watching. So I used the Miracle Repairx collection from TGIN, thank God it's natural, and this entire collection is supposed to reduce breakage, prevent split ends, and repair hair damage. So I did start with their strengthening shampoo, which is made with black honey and coconut oil. It's also free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, all those bad ingredients. And the first thing you guys know I look for in a shampoo is a lather, and this instantly lathered. It was really creamy, it smelled good, and it felt really softening on my hair. So I really enjoyed it. I just went ahead and made sure to scrub my scalp, work it on in. I also ran it down the length of my hair as well, and it was really easy to work through my hair. It didn't tangle. I could finger detangle, so I really liked it. Once I went to rinse it off, my hair felt so soft, you guys. So this is definitely a moisturizing shampoo. My hair did feel clean. It didn't feel like clarified, you know, that like squeaky fresh clean, but it definitely felt clean. So I really did like this shampoo. The next product that I was supposed to use is their conditioner, but if you guys can see, this says leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to actually realize this was the wrong product as soon as I like take a closer look at it. I'm 100% sure that Samaya got a hold of my product because I know for a fact they sent it to me. She plays in my products all the time. If I don't forget to close my door to my beauty room, y'all, I literally have to search all over. So instead of the conditioner, I went straight to the Curl Protein Reconstructor. This is made with black honey and biotin, so good for hair growth. And you guys know protein treatments are great for really strengthening up your hair. So I chose to use this instead of their hair mask because you guys know I just colored my hair, so I want to make sure it's nice and strengthened. Just from the consistency, which is so creamy, I knew I was gonna love it. It really melted into my strands and my hair just felt so soft, you guys. So I just worked this into my hair. I also finger detangled with it since I didn't get to with the conditioner, and it was super duper easy. The slip was so amazing. That's just how softening it was. So I really liked this. I loved how my hair felt and how it also looked. This is a protein treatment, so you don't leave it on too long. It only says for 3 minutes and then you rinse it out, and I believe I probably left it on maybe 5 minutes while I, showered and cleaned myself off. And then when I rinsed it off, man, my hair felt like butter. It was so soft. So I really enjoyed both the shampoo and the protein reconstructor. So now I'm just going to style. So this is my hair straight from my microfiber towel, and it was super soft and smelled so good. Like, these products smell amazing. So you just see me spraying my first section of hair with water, making sure it's nice and drenched. Y'all know I like to work on wet hair. And then I detangled with my Tangle Teezer, of course, my favorite hairbrush, just to make sure it was not free. And then I started moisturizing. So I started off with that leave-in conditioner that y'all saw me almost use. This is made with black honey and coconut oil, and it is a bit lightweight, but it was super moisturizing. I actually used a little bit too much on my hair, but I loved this stuff. It felt so good on my hair. And after I used that, I went on top with their Miracle Repair Curl Food. I've seen some videos and a lot of people really liked this, and I see why. It's nice, thick, and creamy, and it's super moisturizing. So these definitely together worked amazing, but the Curl Food I could use on its own. The leave-in conditioner, I do feel like some people, depending on your hair and what it likes, could definitely use that alone as well. But yeah, with both of these products on, my hair was left nice and soft, so I just detangled one last time to make my hair nice and smooth to put onto my perm rod. So I just like to wrap my end around, and as long as you have enough product, your ends should stay. And then I just roll it on up, and I use the little band thingy to secure it. And if you guys don't know how to use perm rods, pretty much you just make sure that you put the band over your root. Do not try to put it under. You make sure you put it over so that it stays in place. So this is my hair completely rotted. I did use 22 rods, and as long as you don't put too much hair on a roller or a rod, then you can get away with using less. It just saves you time. You get the exact same look. And I did sit underneath my dryer for 1 hour at night and then in the morning, because I did this so late I knew it would not be dry by the time I took it out. So this is the next day, and I am just going to start taking down the rollers. My hair still was a little wet, you guys. Like, this is the reason why you do not do this at nighttime. Try to do it in the morning. But I just went ahead and took down my rollers because it was just a little damp. If your hair is just slightly damp, you guys, you can still take down your rollers. And what I like to do is just go back under and sit underneath the dryer. And since your hair is not in the rollers, it dries super duper fast. So that's just a trick if your hair is not completely dry. But anyways, yeah, you guys can just see what my curls are looking like in the definition. So I already knew my hair was gonna look good, so I just went ahead and started to separate, and I did add a little bit of oil to my hands. This is also from the TGIN Miracle Repair line. So this is my hair completely separated, and y'all, I was a little sad that my hair is getting too long to do the bangs in the front, which I was gonna do that look. I definitely could have bobby pinned the bangs, but I just decided to switch it to a side part, which you guys see now. And I did go in with my wide tooth comb to give me some volume. And then this is the final look, you guys. I really love this color. I know everybody is telling me to tone it and get a purple shampoo and blah blah blah, but I like my color, y'all. It's okay if you don't like it. Like I said, I'm not changing it. I'm not doing nothing to it. I'm keeping it how it is. But back to the curls. I really loved how this came out. My hair was super duper soft. It's been a minute since I've used a cream to do a rod set. I've been using mousses for a minute now, but creams definitely work very well as well. So yeah, I really enjoyed this line. It does range from like $14 to $18, so it's not too expensive, but it's not super cheap. So yeah, I do like it though, so I would recommend it. yeah, that's the end of this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about these curls.